There's no need to be all loud, P.T. Why are you gonna be all loud, P.T.? Mama Diz. Mama Dizzy. Peter. Someone stole my long rope, so I'm only able to play with leash unless I'm at the dog park where I can take them off in the kenneled areas. But here's my happy dogs, enjoying this morning's coffee. P.T., where's your skateboard? P.T., where's your skateboard? Do you know where your skateboard is? You want me to go get your skateboard? Should I go get it? Sorry about the messy camera. It is what it is. They already had this morning's breakfast. So, Scar's just getting his little bit of sun he's going to get today. Dizzy's chewing her bones. And P.T. is looking like he's ready to skate forward. What happened? What's gonna happen? Are you too excited? You ready? Hold your board, P.T. There's a car. Good boy. Go ahead. Come on, board. Board it, boy. Board it, boy. Ready? You ready? You ready? Back this way. P.T., back this way. We had the perfect board for him. This one's new to him. It's 3 days new. He's only played with it a few hours. So it is what it is, but he'll get his board back. The one still like it. All four, P.T. All four. Sucker. Back this way, P.T. You can't go all four on it because the wheels really suck. And they don't keep rolling. They're kind of stopping him. There you go. Happy dog. P.T.'s a happy dog. she's a happy dog. Report. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Yummy buns. This is what I carry on my back. A little disorganized right now. You know me if you know me. It's a big pack. And I was carrying all this on my back. By the way, I carry that dog bed on my back. But I was carrying all this blankets, including all the blankets inside of that on my back, till today. Someone brought me that red bag. And that's somebody else's bag that's going in to grab my morning coffee. So, this is my Anna family, minus one tuxedo kitty cat, who is inside Elisa's house. This is my Anna family out.